Hey guys, LogDog321 here for VacBin. It's going to be a little preview today of what I just got in a couple minutes ago. This is the Hoover SteamVac with Clean Surge. This is Amazon.com's #1 carpet cleaner. As you can see, we got fast dry time, easy to clean, easy to use, box damage and shipping, clean surge, onboard tools, motors. It's got everything you could need, according to the box, that is. This is the Steam Scrub 50, or the Spin Scrub 50, sorry about that. Yes. And let's show you the front. I can't show you the label. I don't want you guys all coming up and trying to say hey-o to me. But here we go. This is the machine. So I will be writing and I will be unboxing this soon. But as a preview, let's see. Do I have my knife? Oh, I do. Okay, well, let's do a little pre-unboxing preview of it. And if I could cut correctly today. Here we go. Contents. Well, it looks like the box was damaged in shipping, at least some of the packaging was, but we'll see how it cleans here. So look for the review, or at least look for the unboxing. That should be up tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. And then look for a full review coming up over the weekend. This has been LogDog321 for VacBin.com, signing off.